Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a super comfy sports bra and you're also obsessed with the super fun patterns from the late 80s, early 90s? Well, ISMV has got you covered with this retro sports bra. I was definitely immediately drawn in because of that awesome pattern with the neon colors. I absolutely love it. And I really love the style of this sports bra as well. I think that the placement of the straps and the detail on the back is super pretty. And I find that it is extremely comfortable. So I have it here in a size medium, and it is definitely a little loose fitting. So medium is what I usually get in a sports bra. And I really appreciated that this isn't super, super tight and constricting. I would say if you're looking for a tighter fit, maybe take that into consideration and size down. The support, I would say, is about low to medium, which makes it really perfect for me for yoga or stretching or walking or some kind of a low impact workout. It is a super cute sports bra, and it's got a little bit of a longer cut, which makes it look really nice with high-waisted yoga pants. So this sports bra is definitely comfy. It's easy for me to move in. It's not too constricting. I love it for doing a low impact workout, and I absolutely love the pattern. I love the neon colors. I love that late 80s, early 90s retro look. It is super, super fun and I think really unique for a sports bra. So if you love that look and you're looking for a comfy sports bra, I definitely recommend checking this one out, but that's just my point of view.